outside of doing OneView, you've also used some Oracle Business Intelligence, haven't you?
Absolutely. OBIEE is a big part of our business. We've worked with TeamCain over the past couple of years to spread it throughout the company, starting with finance and the GL, moved on to sales, moving on to operations, including inventory and procurement.
So a wide footprint again of an Oracle product, going across multiple systems, and really delivering on the whole information needs of the corporation.
Exactly. And we started small with this in finance, and finance typically touches base with everybody in the company, so word spread pretty quickly. And now I have the opposite problem of everybody wanting to use Oracle Business Intelligence.
Jason, the technology that you have in play for your customers is pretty cutting edge and pretty advanced. How important has it been with OBIEE to extend the power and capabilities of the data and the information that you capture within your solution set from Oracle?
It's critical.
For the users?
Absolutely critical. Oracle just isn't a data collection and reporting tool in the simple form that it's introduced. I mean, you can do some highly complex things with it. If we were just to layer it over JD Edwards, it's a great tool. It becomes an awesome tool when you can combine data elements from disparate systems, legacy systems such as we've been doing. We've also connected it to our test data software that we've custom developed in-house to overlay that with our JD Edwards manufacturing data. So from a reporting standpoint, users have a seamless entry or gateway into all that data in one system.
I've seen obviously what you've done with OBIEE and how pervasive it is within the organization. It really is the entry point for an awful lot of people within Christie Digital worldwide to be able to review the operations and be proactive on what they need to be working on. A fair statement?
That's an exact statement. It started with finance, just with looking at expenses, something simple as expenses. Now, other than finance having to print reports and bring this around to individual departments to review, the individual department managers, directors, they can click on a dashboard, see their expenses, compare it to their budget, and know if they're on target on a daily basis rather than have to wait for a monthly report. Extending that onto the sales team, they can look at their sales targets, revenue, margin analysis without having to wait for a finance report. I see people managing their business as opposed to managing spreadsheets, reprinting reports regularly, because now they can keep their finger on the pulse with simple dashboards, and they can use that to analyze not only what's happened in the recent past, but predict what's going to happen in the near future. So it takes people out of the monotony and the labor-intensive work involved with spreadsheets and report generation, and puts their focus back on doing their job.
As you walk around the offices, I understand you're very pleased to see that when you peek your heads into people's offices, the screen that you see is an OBIEE one.
Much less Excel screens and much more OBIEE dashboards.
That's great.
Excellent.
I agree, it's good.